What's up, guys? Today we are making a Cane's chicken sandwich dupe, so let's get to it. Obviously gluten-free and dairy-free. So we're going to start by making our cane sauce. So it's going to be mayo, and then we're going to add in our garlic powder and then our pepper, and then we're going to put in our Worcestershire sauce and then our ketchup. Wow. And you're just going to mix that together, and then we're going to let that sit overnight so that the sauce really has time to become super delicious. And then so the next day what we're going to do is preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees for 5 minutes, and then we're going to take 2 large chicken breasts, cut them in half, and then we're going to mallet those suckers down so that they're flat so we can turn them into a chicken sandwich. And just use a meat pounder and just pound the shit out of it. Once you're done with that, we're going to make our dip mixture. So we're going to use our dairy-free yogurt, and then we're going to put in our flour, and then our onion powder, our garlic powder, and our paprika, and then some Dijon mustard, and mix all of that up. Make sure you use a bigger plate, and then while you're doing that, you're going to take your plantain chips in a processor until they look nice and crumbly like this. Now we're just going to dip and dip. Once they're coated, we're going to put them in the air fryer for 15 minutes, and we're going to do it at 400 degrees. Just make sure you double check the internal temperature when you do this to make sure that they are completely cooked through. So you want to make sure that they're cooked at 165. And then when they're done, you're just going to take your burger buns. We're going to put our mayo on both sides, and then we're going to add some shredded lettuce. You can buy shredded lettuce bagged at the store, or you can just cut it up yourself. Add your chicken breast on, and that's it. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.